Sweet maple, smoky spice, crispy perfection. Gather your Brussels sprouts, maple syrup, seasonings, and a few pantry staples. Finish with optional parsley and crushed pecans for extra flavor and crunch. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, maple syrup, smoked paprika, garlic powder, cayenne, salt, and black pepper until smooth and well combined. Pour the maple glaze over the Brussels sprouts and gently toss until every piece is evenly coated before cooking. Cook the Brussels sprouts until they're tender inside with beautifully caramelized crispy edges. Discover more quick meals in my 10-minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Sweet maple flavor, smoky spices, and crispy caramelized Brussels sprouts make this an easy side dish you'll want to make again and again. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.